How's it going, everybody? So in the last video I mentioned I had something planned for the wheels sticking out past the fenders. That's inside this box. What I have is a Retrospec full wide body kit. I believe it's a 12-piece kit that is made to bolt onto the side of my stock body. I should definitely help fill out those wheels that are a little bit on the poking out side. Yeah. So let's mock these up, get them on the car. So I'm going to use my fiance's car as a quick little mock-up since the car is out here in the daylight. So it fits a little something like that. It's looking pretty good. That should definitely help with the situation with my wheels. A little low in the front. Let's take care of that. All right, that is filling out well. I do have some spacers coming to help poke those wheels out. So far, so good. All right, this should give us a good idea. The full front and the rear. The only issue I have with the rear is this piece is made for a stealth, and well, I don't have a stealth, so it doesn't quite line up. So my game plan is probably just to trim the lower half off. It should be good. But other than that, should be pretty much fire. All right, I think I have the first panel lined up about where I need it. I guess there's no going back. Let's do this. Now to hold the panel on, we're going to use Colecos. They are like a reusable rivet. When you squeeze it, it expands out. Allows you to put it in. There you go. One down. 54. I believe it's 54. 54 to go. There's no backing out now. Just click it on. And it's tight. And to attach the over fenders, we're gonna use Downstar Hardware. Black and stainless. It's gonna look really good. Just bolt these two together and finish up those holes.
Several days later.
Alright, so I ran into a few problems with the widebody kit. Sadly, the kit was made for a Stealth and not a 3000 GT, so a few pieces did not quite fit so well. I've gotten hold of Retrospec and they are going to send me out the correct pieces, so that may take a little time. So that's where we're at with the widebody kit, but we kind of got another adventure on our hand that was just dropped off sporadically. So looks like my fiance Megan and I we're at the airport. That can only mean one thing. We're flying somewhere to do something stupid, and I guess I'll let y'all know another time.